Hi, it's Manuel Villacorta here, your culinary dietitian and weight loss expert. Welcome to my caliente kitchen. Today, I am showing you how I prep a full week of meals in under an hour. I know I am not a magician. Remember, I'm a dietitian. I just let my kitchen gadgets do the heavy lifting. If you are short on time but big on goals, especially weight loss, then this one is for you. These meals are great for weight loss because they are high in protein and fiber. And as you know, protein and fiber are your best friends to help you lose weight. Now, let's get cooking. Here's how I make it all happen, all at once. In the oven, roasted veggies, bell peppers, carrots, onions, zucchinis. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness, and the browning, that's the Maillard reaction, flavor chemistry at its finest. In the Instant Pot, my cilantro harvest chicken stew. Packed with lean protein, bold herbs and veggies, it's hearty, filling, and perfect for weight loss. In the air fryer, two things: chicken cilantro patties. They're so juicy and packed with flavor. And egg crusted mini quiches. These quiches are high in protein. They're great snacks for any time of the day. On the stove, quinoa, a complete protein and high in fiber grain with tons of antioxidants and great for balanced meals. And in my rice cooker, the red rice. It is nutty, satisfying, and rich in anthocyanins. That's a fancy word for antioxidants that may help with heart health and weight management. So what's really happening here is time stacking. While everything is cooking, I am assembling my overnight oats. Quick, high protein, and done in minutes, and into the fridge they go. Then I keep chopping, organizing, cleaning as I go. It's like a kitchen orchestra, and I am the conductor. Let me tell you a success story. One of my clients used to spend hours on meal prep and still ate out most nights. Now, with this method, she's saving time, eating better, and dropping weight without feeling restricted. Now, that is the power of a good plan. Now, let me show you how I pair the different recipes to make them a balanced meal. There's no a right way. Just be creative and make sure to include all three macronutrients: carbs, protein, and fat. Also, keep in mind that you can use any main meal either for lunch or dinner. These are my meals: chicken stew served over red rice, patties with quinoa and roasted veggies, egg quiches as a protein-packed snack, and overnight oats ready to grab for breakfast. Every meal here is high in protein to support fat loss and muscle maintenance, rich in fiber to keep you full and your gut happy, balanced to help manage cravings and energy all day, and made with one of my powerful ingredients: love. Meal prep isn't about perfection, it is about consistency, and consistency is the key to weight loss success. If you are just here for inspiration, check out my blog. There are tons of recipe ideas there. But if you feel like you need help with weight loss, I'm your guy. I can be of help. Schedule your free 20-minute discovery call. We'll talk about your goals. I will explain how my virtual one-on-one program works and how I can support you on your journey to better health. After our call, whether it's phone or Zoom, you decide if we're a good fit. No pressure, just real support for real results. If you like what you saw, then like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you are using any of these kitchen gadgets or what is your secret in the kitchen. Thanks for watching, and remember, stop dieting, start living. See you next time, and as always, buen provecho.